Good afternoon, Jeremy. What are you working on today?
I'm working on a beautiful 4 Series convertible where the customer is saying every now and then the iDrive screen cuts out and resets. I checked and found this screen is controlled by the head unit that lives behind your radio controls. There are service bulletins to talk about it, and they say to update the software. That was the first thing we did just to get that out of the way. Issue persists. Every time it resets, it sets a fault for the whole control unit resetting, not just its connection to the screen. So at this point, I'm thinking the head unit's probably dying and resetting on its own. But to make sure, I took all this apart, left everything plugged in so the car thinks everything's normal, and I am back probing power and ground with the oscilloscope here. And when this cuts out next, I'm going to watch and see if power drops out like that. Radio cut out, screen went blank. I'll boot back up, and you can see here, power, this green line never went away. Oh, let's turn you down. Which tells me power and ground to it are fine. No, nothing else is setting faults. This thing is going to get a head unit.
Awesome. Thank you, Jeremy.
No problem.